Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. We have a super fun surprise video for you today. Do you guys like surprises?
Yes.
All right, so today we are going to be unboxing the My Chow surprise box for June. So you guys know that have watched this for a while that we really love Keto Chow in our house. Renee and Levi love it, and other members of the family are getting on board, and it's becoming something that a lot of us love. Keto Chow is a meal replacement shake that is keto, as it should be with a name like Keto Chow. So it's a great option for people who are super busy, who need something just fast and on the go, but also there are tons and tons of recipes that you can make with Keto Chow, and it's become quite a favorite in the keto community. And the cheapest way to get Keto Chow is with the My Chow surprise box. You can do a My Chow box where you get to pick the flavors in there, and you can get 15% off if you do that. But if you pick the surprise option where you don't get to pick the flavors, they just put together the surprise box for you each month, then you get a full 20% off. So if you know you like most Keto Chow flavors, that's a great way to get it for the cheapest price possible. The other cool thing about, actually two more cool things about the surprise box is in the surprise box, you can get seasonal and limited edition flavors if they choose to add those. If you get the My Chow box where you choose your flavors, you can't always choose those limited edition and seasonal flavors. So you have that as a bonus. Then also they include recipe cards with the surprise box. So that is also a really fun bonus. All right, that is enough talk. Are you guys ready to open and see what's in the June surprise My Chow box?
Yes, I've been waiting this whole time.
I know, I've been talking too much. I'm so sorry. All right, here we go. So I'm thinking that we will try to make a recipe with something out of here. And also, if there is a flavor we've never tried before, we should just try it as a shake, okay?
Okay.
So
wait,
let's
make a recipe here?
Well, not at this table. We have to do it at the kitchen, but in this video. All right, so the little packet of recipe cards. First one on top is pistachio ice cream with white chocolate chips. So what flavor do you think is for that?
Pistachio.
Pistachio. Mocha hazelnut cookies. What flavor do you think is in that one?
Mocha?
Probably mocha. Can't be keto chocolate cake. Oh, those are cute. So what do you think, what flavor do you think is in that one?
Chocolate.
Probably chocolate.
Well, we have a lot of chocolate.
Okay, and then churros. Do you know what churros are?
No.
They're like cinnamon crunchy things. Lemon chiffon mousse and berry cups. What do you think? Which flavor do you think that is? Lemon. All right, ready? First.
Wait, grab them secret. This like.
I'm trying to get them out here secretly. Oop, there's two of these. Pistachio. Okay, I tried pistachio for the first time at KetoCon. They had a pistachio fluff. Oh, it was so good. Okay, next is one mocha. We called it.
Yeah.
One orange mango. We haven't tried this one yet.
But we have it.
We do have a packet upstairs and we have not tried it yet. I want to make it into ice cream. I thought that would be delicious. Okay, next one, you're going to be excited about this.
Oh, chai latte.
Renee's favorite, chai latte. Strawberry. We haven't had strawberry in a while. We've tasted it, but we haven't had it in a while.
I don't remember that.
Oh, you don't? It was one of the first ones we tasted.
I'm gonna do this one.
That one looks good, doesn't it? Okay.
Yeah.
Lemon meringue.
Oh.
Yum.
Oh my goodness. Salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Renee loves this one. And last of the little packets is chocolate toffee. Another favorite. We love that. Okay, and then in the 30 meal box, there is 9 packets and a 21 meal bag. Big bag. So what's the big bag?
Oh no.
Ooh, chocolate. You can't go wrong with a big bag of chocolate. Levi, I'm covering your face. We gotta be able to see all of everything. So recently, my husband has been loving chocolate peanut butter Keto Chow, and we used up all of our actual chocolate peanut butter Keto Chow. So what we've been doing to make chocolate peanut butter keto chow is use chocolate and then use some peanut flour. Just throw a couple tablespoons of peanut flour in there and you get chocolate peanut butter. So we're gonna have to, let's see, which ones have we not tasted before? So we haven't tasted the orange mango.
Yeah.
Or you haven't tasted the pistachio. So after much consideration, we decided to try pistachio as a shake to see how that is. Because I haven't tasted it as a shake. I only tasted it as the one little spoonful of fluff I got at KetoCon. And so I'm excited to try it as a shake. I think we should probably do it with heavy cream, right?
Yeah.
Does that sound good? Let's try pistachio. All right, we have our beautiful green, it's kind of hard to see on the video, but it's like beautiful green pistachio keto chow. Are you guys ready to dink it?
Yeah.
All right, here. Let's all dink. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I didn't get Renee's. 1, 2, 3, dink. Good job. All right, here we go.
Oh, that is really good. Mm-hmm.
That is really good. Oh my goodness.
I love it.
Mmm. Now, people say that this makes amazing ice cream, and I 100% believe that. And I'm so glad that they sent 2 in the package because I'm going to need to try this as ice cream. Oh, wow.
And what?
Why is pistachio so delicious? Why?
I love it.
I love it. So how many thumbs up do you give it?
1,000,000.
1,000,000? Well, he doesn't just give 1,000,000 thumbs up to anything. Seriously. That's high praise. Renee, how many thumbs up do you give it?
Out of 10, I give it 9. Because salted caramel is still better.
Because salted caramel is still better. And is salted caramel your favorite now? Or is chai latte still your favorite? Because you keep changing your favorite.
It's a tie between these 2.
Chai latte and chocolate toffee? But what about salted caramel? You're going to have to rank them. I'd say a 9 out of 10 is good too, because I can't give it a 10 because raspberry cheesecake is a 10. But it's really close. It's so good. Maybe 9.5.
I think these are better than raspberry cheesecake.
Yeah. I mean, so it's really hard for me to compare flavors like this because how can you compare a fruity flavor to a chocolate flavor? Like, that's just, I mean, think about raspberry cheesecake versus chocolate peanut butter. It's like apples and oranges. So I think there has to be some kind of a different scale that we use. So we all 3 highly recommend the pistachio. If you have not tried it, definitely try it. So we are going to think about what recipe we want to do. We might do a recipe from one of these, but we're also open to a recipe from our recipe box that has lots more recipes. So we're gonna have to like really think hard and look and make a good decision on what recipe we're gonna make for you guys. And we'll meet you in the kitchen when it is time to start cooking. So after a lot of thinking, we have decided on a recipe that we're gonna try. You wanna show what it is?
Yes.
We are going to do the lemon chiffon mousse. We're gonna skip the berries because Renee is very funny and she doesn't like fresh berries very much. So we're just gonna make the mousse portion of this lemon chiffon mousse cups, and it uses what?
Lemon meringue keto chow.
Lemon meringue keto chow. So we are going to turn the camera downward to our KitchenAid mixer and whip it all up for you and then give it a taste test. We did wait until Levi was out having fun doing something else because this recipe does have eggs and we didn't want him to be sad. So he is off doing something fun with his big sister. No worries about him. Okay, so we are going to get started on our lemon chiffon mousse. And the first thing we're gonna do is 2 egg whites. And these are from our home-laid, not homegrown, but home-laid eggs. And we wanna put in 1 tablespoon. The recipe calls for powdered erythritol. We're gonna do powdered allulose. Dump that in. Now we're gonna get this all whipped up. That looks a little bit stiffer. Oh yeah, that I think is good. So we're gonna dump this into here. You wanna try to do that?
Yeah. Oh.
There we go. and I have a little spatula here so I can scrape it out because this heavy cream is very thick today.
It's very heavy.
It's very heavy, right. Okay, and then we need to do 1 more tablespoon of the powdered allulose.
Of allulose?
I have some more in the pantry, but that's the last powdered allulose.
Oh, yeah.
For the recipe, yeah, you're right. And then we're going to get this whipped up until it is very stiff. So we're supposed to go until we have soft peaks on this one, and they are nice soft peaks. Mm-hmm. We're supposed to set aside about a 1/4 cup of this for topping later. Now we're going to mix up our 1/2 cup of milk, and we didn't have almond milk or I think macadamia nut milk, so we are using coconut milk. You want to pour that in?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we are going to mix into that our lemon meringue Keto Chow.
I thought that might be a little bit yellow. It's kind of yellow.
Usually the Keto Chow, you can tell the color just a little bit when you open the package, but then when you mix it into liquid, you can really see the color come out.
Yeah, like
let's see.
Like the lime or the
blueberry pie?
No, but that and
pistachio?
Yes.
I knew it. So that's our mixture there. We just need to add in our lemon extract. You can either use lemon juice and lemon zest or lemon extract, and that's what we had. So that's what we're going to use.
Oh, one time I put mint into my hot chocolate.
Yes.
And then some of the stuff got on my finger, and I tasted it. And
it was so bad.
Yeah.
So spicy. You want to try lemon?
Yeah.
You want to try lemon extract?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. You have to tell everybody what it tastes like, because they couldn't see your face.
It tastes like, it felt like I burned my tongue, but it wasn't hot.
Oh my goodness.
It's weird.
Fold 1/3 of the whipped cream into the Keto Chow mixture to lighten it. Then fold in the rest of the whipped cream, okay? So do you know what folding is when you're cooking?
Oh yeah, you like put the stuff on the bottom on top.
Yeah, so do you want to try to mix in the rest of the whipped cream? I think I got this pretty well folded in. So then we're supposed to fold in the egg whites in 2 sections. So I'll do 1/2 of these. I like this recipe how it has extra protein in it from the egg whites. Obviously you're getting a good amount of protein from just the Keto Chow itself, which is great. But then for a dessert like this, I love adding extra protein. So a couple of egg whites in there are fantastic.
It's kind of like squeaky. It's kind of like egg bread.
Egg white bread?
Dough.
Yeah, how it's squeaky because that's made with egg whites, obviously.
But it's a little bit more foamy.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Yeah.
You just add in basically foam.
We did. But it's egg foam.
Egg foam.
All right, we are ready for a taste test. We're doing a little picnic taste test out here, and apparently Maple wanted to join us. Also, Charity wanted to join us. There's the mousse. I love how light it is. I do like, cheesecakes. I love cheesecakes. And like the no-bake cheesecakes with lots of cream cheese. Those are good, but they're very heavy. So sometimes like a nice light mousse like this is nice. All right, Charity, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Spoons up. You gotta get your spoons up. You want to dink it?
Okay.
Ooh, that looks so fluffy. Dink it, dink it, dink it. Sink it.
That's delicious. It tastes like a truffle. A lemon truffle.
A lemon truffle, yeah, but it's so airy. I love the egg white airiness in there. Wow, that's really good. So we could totally make this with any flavor of Keto Chow. Oh, now Freddie is here. Wait, was it? Yeah, now we have both cats. Hi, Freddie. Freddie wanted to join in the fun.
She's like, I want some too.
I like Keto Chow too. Look at that. So I love this. This is definitely a winner. I'm thinking the raspberry cheesecake with raspberry extract, or like the chocolate mint even with some mint extract. What other flavors would you do? Orange cream.
Caramel.
Renee, you have a little something on your face.
Caramel.
Caramel. We even have caramel extract. Ooh, we could do like a chocolate with a banana extract. We do have peanut butter extract. We could do a peanut butter chocolate or a peanut butter. Oh my gosh, there's so many options. I really do like this because it is so light. It's just very, very refreshing. We're gonna call this one a win. We're gonna enjoy our lemon mousse picnic, although Renee's already done with hers. Thanks so much for watching our surprise box unboxing and taste test and recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Check down below for all the details about the surprise My Chow box. They have the 30, 60, and 90 box, and it's just the cheapest way to get your Keto Chow if you like all of the flavors. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Freddy.
Freddie, say bye. And
chickens want it.
I think the chickens knew that we brought out food, and so they're coming on the hunt.
They're vicious.
So, what did you want to try for dinner tonight?
Tastes like this mango
Just mango?
and oranges.
It does?
Yeah.
Well, that's truth in advertising then, I guess. What do you think? How many thumbs up?
1,000,000.
1,000,000 again.
1,000,000.
A 1,000.
1,000.
Is that more than 1,000,000 or less than 1,000,000?
More than 1,000,000?
1,000, more than 1,000,000. All right, got it.